What we try to do is talk to insurance CEOs in 3 countries to establish trends and themes of issues that are affecting their strategies, not only today, but going into the future, the next 3 years to 5 years. We did have interviews with 31 CEOs in SA, 8 in Kenya, and 6 in Nigeria, and a fairly wide representation across all the subsectors of insurance, including long-term, short-term, and reinsurance, to try and get representative views of what was happening in the marketplace. The South African market has, for a number of years now, been consistently close to the top in terms of world rankings, in terms of insurance penetration. As of 2013, the insurance penetration level was 15.4%, which is a measure of how much of South Africa's wealth or GDP or economic earnings are spent on insurance. That's quite high by world standards. To give you an example, the world average is about 3.5%. So we are quite high in relative terms. If you start looking at Nigeria and Kenya, the numbers are different. Nigeria is quite low at 0.6%, and Kenya is in the middle of the table at about 3.5%. Insurance premiums per capita is a measure of the density of insurance penetration, if you like. And that's a rough measure of how much, on average, a person in any of those countries spends on insurance. So if we say, on average, a South African will spend $1,025 a year on insurance, that's a measure of how much out of their earnings goes there.